Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So the Wiper control stalk, as in most cars, though it might look simple and easy to operate, sometimes there are certain functions that we tend to forget, and today we'll do just that. We'll try to go through all the functions in the Wiper stalk of the Scorpio-N. So now the Scorpio-N comes with the automatic wiper, and the sensor lies in this. So when the water falls on that, it activates the auto wipe mechanism. So make sure not to put any sticker or anything over there. As you see, this sensor is quite sensitive. So let's start off by first putting some water to lube. So as you can see, the first function and the topmost control is the mist. So what this does is it just wipes once, and then if you just put it below, it goes into the auto wipe mode, and it indicates that by wiping once. Now in the auto mode there is quite a bit of thing to understand. The interval, or basically the intensity of the auto wipe, can be controlled via this selector knob here. So this being the least interval and this being the most. So let's understand how that works. So first we'll put it in the highest interval. So if we were to encounter a situation where we have constant rain or drizzle and you wanted to control the intensity of the wiping, so now we have put it in the maximum interval. So let's see how that functions. So let's spray constantly and see how this works when the interval is selected at the maximum. So as you can see, we have sprayed 10 times and it has wiped 3 times. So to check the difference, let's just put it in the least interval and continue to do the same thing. So we're going to again spray 10 times at the same interval. So as you can see, since we have selected the least interval, it is wiping it more often for the same intensity. So that was about the interval control switch. Now if we put it in low, it switches off the automatic wiper, and it's a constant speed, and similar with the high, it's a higher speed alternative for when you want to wipe constantly in manual mode. And we will put it in auto. And then we have the rear control for the wipers. This is an off. This INT indicates the low speed wipe, which is a constant wiping speed. So we put it into this. This is a low speed wipe and it constantly wipes the rear glass. And then we have on, which is basically a higher speed wipe. So this is an on. Also, when it's in auto wipe mode and you put it into reverse gear, So if at all it's raining, it will constantly wipe the back glass too. So let's simulate that. So we have put it in reverse gear and it's in auto mode. So if we spray water now, the rear wiper 2 shall work in conjunction with this. So as you can see, so that happens when it's in the auto mode. To operate the wash and wipe of the rear glass, just push this lever down and that activates the wash and wipe. And to activate the wash and wipe of the forward, just pull the lever up. Now when the auto wiper is off, the button here, this is to auto wipe the front windscreen. So if we press this once, this automatically sprays on the windscreen twice and it wipes it. So this is the one complete cycle if you press this button, and it works only when the auto wipe is off. As you can see, if the auto wipe is on, this button does not work. So that was about the operation of the Wiper Stalk in the Scorpio-N. If you guys enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you want more such content, do consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one.